Where you from? Coventry.
Huh?
Coventry.
Coventry? Okay. Is that where this came from?
Sir, I'm about to pass out.
Why are you passing?
6 and a 35 when it dropped down there.
Where did it drop down at?
Where they're doing construction down there.
I didn't see it.
Okay. You got your driver's license on you?
Yes, sir, I do. I have time to find my wallet.
You got registration and insurance?
Yes, sir. You just stand back to my aunt's house and it's cold.
Here's your...
Well, I got a PDF of it.
That's not it.
So it's insured. I promise you're gonna run it. It's gonna run good. So
Okay. I need a valid card.
Can you pull it up? Can you pull it up online?
As long as it comes back to this truck.
Okay.
Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
I don't know.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm gonna keep the window down.
Can you roll your window down and give that deputy your information?
So I can't stand the ticket. It's gonna kill
Well,
my license. I can't catch a break.
We'll see.
What's that? Can you please leave put the window down all the way?
I don't need to roll.
All right, step out of the car.
Come on. Here, I'll roll it down all the way. I'm
Nope,
sorry.
I'm telling you, step out of the car.
Sir, I don't... Please.
Ma'am, step out of the car. I'm not going to tell you again.
Go ahead and hop out, ma'am.
Sorry, I didn't do this.
Any guns, weapons, knives, anything crazy on you?
No.
Step back here for him.
Oh, well, no, I might have a little pocket knife.
Okay.
So
I don't reach for it. You good? You said a pocket knife?
I don't have any on that.
Okay.
So I ain't got no. So.
Okay. Is there any...
That works. So
Okay, is there any weed in the car?
No, no.
Why do I smell weed?
No, because where we just came from, we were smoking pot. So
Okay.
that was way earlier.
All right, man. Just hang back there by my push bumper, all right?
And come on back in.
That's a good man.
Where are you coming from?
So we're coming from Pittsburgh, so we're coming to that dude that he sent. I do tattoos. So.
Oh, okay. And then he had a little zipper pouch.
Past 30 minutes, he advised he had superficial tap.
What are you saying? What'd you say? What were you saying?
I just said, my mom's asking me if I'm going to jail, and so no, I'm not
Oh,
going to jail.
I thought you said you were going to jail. I was like, why would you go to jail? Yeah, here we go. It's all in here. Turn around.
Oh my god.
Put your hands on your back.
Oh god, so am I. They're arresting me too. They're arresting me too.
Chief 21.
Hey man, I'm gonna go ahead and read you your rights real quick. Okay? Just so we can talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer or want to be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can sign any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand? You see these rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay, will your rights of mine you wish to speak with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This right here, alright, obviously, it's your truck. Alright.
It's not
Huh?
mine. It's not mine.
That's not yours? Okay. Alright. So those syringes found right with it, it's not going to have your DNA in them?
The syringes were, yes, sir.
What?
The syringes were, yes, sir.
Okay, but this right beside the syringes are not yours.
So I was just doing it for somebody else.
So you went and picked it up. How much did this cost?
It didn't cost me nothing. I didn't pay for it. It's not mine.
How much does it weigh?
It's supposed to be like 4.5 ounces.
Okay.
I'm
Where you
coming
come
from Coventry.
Huh?
Coventry.
Coventry? Okay. Is that where this came from?
Sir, I'm about to pass out.
Why are you passing out? Why are you passing out? Huh?
Oh God.
He swallow anything?
128. Can we have it in there?
I got you.
Have a seat.
143.
Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit on the ground. Sit on your butt. Move your feet. Cross your legs now. Cross them. Indian style.
Did you swallow anything? No. No.
It's dehydrated, sir. I need some water.
I ain't got any water.
I think I have.
I'm seeing what kind of shirt. If that was blood or if that was
Probably pizza.
pizza.
We just got one. The rest of it's in the back of the truck. Should be in the back of the truck.
Does she have any warrants or anything?
I don't think. I think she came back negative. Let me double check. What's your last name again? 221.
I didn't think I did.
Received, but she's coming back to the system.
Hey man, did you address anything?
No, I thought you were talking to myself. I'm so mad.
Need some water?
So fucking mad.
Hey,
What,
can you grab a bottle of water out of
What? You have a Florida driver's license?
No.
What do you have?
That one.
Alabama?
Yeah. It's not. I don't have a valid one. No, I'm not driving right now.
221.
Is it heroin? Which one's fentanyl?
Blue fentanyl on the white fentanyl.
That's monitoring.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on. I'm feeling sick now. Shit, man.
You said the blue's fentanyl, the white's heroin?
Where's she supposed to be out of?
Alabama, but this dispatcher's terrible, so it's taking her a minute.
I'll run her.
Do you have anything in the car that has your name on it? You have nothing in the car that has your name on it?
So I can. Well, where am I actually? Am I
Like a credit card or anything?
You can let me look.
Well, I'm going to tell you. Can tell me where it is.
I think actually, if you go in my
Listen, what's your name?
and I gave it to you guys already. But
What's your
yes,
middle name?
No.
Do you have warrants or something?
I shouldn't. No.
You shouldn't.
No.
Usually that means you have
God, no, I shouldn't. Oh my God, I hope
Why
not.
did you say you shouldn't?
Don't
I
say
know,
that.
I know, I don't have
Justin.
a warrant.
This is a bad night.
Okay.
This is a bad night. This is turning out to be a really bad night.
I want to go check
it
her
wouldn't-
first.
Yeah, you can search. I'll search the driver's side. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used. You understand these rights as I've explained to you? Okay, with your rights in mind, you wish to speak with us?
I don't know what you want me to say.
Okay, do you wish to speak with us? Yes or no?
About what?
About what we just found in the vehicle.
I was dropped off to get pizza at Papa John's.
Okay.
Okay.
Where were you dropped off?
To get at Papa John's.
Okay,
get
but what
pizza.
Papa John?
Somewhere in Pensacola. I don't know the area very well.
Okay.
And I ordered pizza
Why did you get dropped off then?
because he wanted me to get pizza.
He couldn't just wait there with you? Like, where did he go?
No, he went. I don't know. He went around the corner. I don't know where. I don't know. I've never been there before. I don't know.
Okay.
I have no idea. I didn't. You don't always. I didn't. Some people you don't ask
How long
questions
have you been with Brad?
for just a couple, about 2 months.
Are you aware?
I've
Are you aware that he's a drug dealer?
I've heard.
You don't have to hear about it.
I've heard.
I've heard about it, and I've never met him.
Look,
Well, I have met him. Okay. What do you say when y'all are getting pulled over?
nothing. He didn't say anything. He said, I don't know. Oh, geez, I don't know what I. He pulled into the middle, and then he you guys said to pull in the parking lot, and I said they said to pull in the parking lot.
You need a blanket?
No, I do. I only got one shirt.
You got a jacket?
No, there's a little blanket or a jacket. I use it in the back. So
There's a blanket in the back of the car, back of the truck.
What's up, man?
That big thick one in the back.
I'm gonna drape it over your shoulders.
All right. Can I ask you a question?
What you got,
Hey, man, listen, man. Pull my truck.
What?
Pull my truck around back and let these people see my truck. And I'll tell you something. There ain't nobody in this county that couldn't get. Nobody, I swear to God.
Well, you're the person in the county I've been worried about.
That'll work.
No, I don't want to sit in the back of the car.
If you don't want to go, she want to freeze.
I don't want to. Yeah, that's bad.
Go ahead and put her in the back of the car.